Good morning, everybody. Can you hear my voice?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, we're just starting our international Yoga Day program. Uh, it is being organized in association with the Indian Society of Anesthesiologists West Bengal branch, West Bengal Society of Study of Pain, along with Spine Society of West Bengal. So today's program basically is in two parts. The first is a lecture on chronic pain and its and yoga's utility in that, how yoga can help in chronic pain. It will be followed by demonstration and practice of basic yoga steps by Mrs. Sapna Patawari. The chronic pain and yoga's utility will be uh, lecture taken by Dr. Manisha Jaiswal. Handing over the mic to Dr. Manisha Jaiswal. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. On the occasion of World Yoga Day, I am delighted to speak on a topic that affects millions of people around the world: chronic pain and the role of yoga in managing it. Most of us have experienced pain at some point in our lives. Usually, the pain goes away once the injury or the illness heals. However, when pain continues for months, more than 3 months, as we say in chronic pain, and it starts affecting our daily activities, sleep, mood, overall quality of life, it is called chronic pain. Common examples of such type of pain are back pain, neck pain, arthritis, headaches, and pain related to old injuries. So, living with this type of a chronic pain can be challenging. It often limits movement, reduces confidence, and can lead to stress and frustration. This is where yoga can play an important role. Yoga is much more than just physical exercise. It is a holistic practice that combines movement, breathing, relaxation, and mindfulness. These elements work together to support both physical and mental well being. Regular yoga practice can help people with chronic pain in several ways. It improves flexibility and mobility, making everyday movements easier. It helps strengthen muscles, which can provide better support to joints and the spine. Breathing exercises and relaxation techniques help reduce stress and tension, which often makes pain feel worse. Yoga encourages the body awareness, helping individuals move more comfortably and confidently. It promotes better sleep, improved mood, and a greater sense of well being. One of the greatest advantages of yoga is that it can be adapted to different ages, abilities, and health conditions. Gentle stretches, simple breathing exercises, and relaxation practices can be beneficial even for people who have limited mobility. And I, for one, can vouch for yoga being helpful in in all ages, because I have started yoga maybe for the past 3 or 4 months due to uh, chronic pain in my knees and an overall body ache. And as you all know, that postmenopausal age group is very much prone to have these types of pains, and it is difficult to treat. So yoga has really, really helped me in relieving me of all of these pains of mine. And now I have a greater flexibility, mobility, and also a greater level of energy. So that is a very, very important part of yoga practice. Uh, but it is also important to remember that yoga is not about forcing the body into the difficult postures. The goal is to move mindfully, listen to the body, and progress gradually. So, yoga helps you to do all these in a graded way where you can understand what your body wants and how to make it do it. So, for this, you always need to do it under guidance with the help of a good yoga instructor. You can do a few basic yoga postures even without help if your body allows it. But if you need uh, mm, to really help yourself dealing with chronic pain with mobility, then we would advise you to do it under the instructions of a good yoga instructor. Research from around the world has shown that yoga can help reduce pain, improve the physical function, and enhance quality of life for many individuals who are living with chronic pain. But one thing we should understand that we are not looking for a complete removal of pain, but it helps manage where people manage a better life and to regain confidence in their daily lives. So, as we celebrate World Yoga Day, let us remember that yoga is a simple, accessible, and powerful tool for health, even economical. So, yeah. So, yoga is a very, very powerful tool which we can use in our daily lives. It is very easy to use. Uh, it can be used in combination with all other modes of therapy which a person is undergoing, but it helps you to uh, deal with your illness much better, not just physically, mentally also, because yoga is not just physical exercise, it also calms your mind and it helps you to accept your pain and to help in relieving that pain to a level where you can live a meaningful life and the quality of life is increased. So, with this, I would like to invite all of you to join us in a small demonstration of a few basic yoga steps. And for this, we have a we have a certified yoga instructor with us, Mrs. Sapna Patavari, who will help us to understand all these steps. Uh, we will go very slow. We will show you simple, basic yoga steps and try to tell you how to do them. So please join us, and hope you all enjoy this World Yoga Day and celebrate it together with us. So we would start with Mrs. Sapna Patavari, who will tell us uh, what steps she would demonstrate today. Thank you.
And I will also, on behalf of the society, request all of you to join in the yoga.
Yeah, please do it together with us so that you too can get a hang of how to do it and understand the steps. Okay.
गुड मॉर्निंग सबको इंटरनेशनल योगा डे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सो अब अपने अपने सब जगह खड़े होकर स्टार्ट करेंगे हम लोग ताड़ासन से तीन ताड़ासन करेंगे स्ट्रेचिंग एक्सरसाइज है ये बेसिक से स्टार्ट करते हैं तो ये एक्सरसाइज जो है वो हम लोग हेड टू टो करेंगे ताकि ऊपर से स्टार्ट करके नीचे तक और फिर लास्ट में प्राणायाम करके सेशन को एंड करेंगे सो सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि ताड़ासन स्टार्ट करें ब्रीथ इन stretch yourself upward then hold breathe out relax again relax again Shoulder. Yeah. Next is shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neck.
Now, neck movement. Breathe in, right. Breathe out, left. 2, 3, breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. 2, 3. Now, elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wrist.
Now, wrist. Anti-clockwise. Now, waist.
Clockwise.
क्लॉकवाइज इसमें हम थोड़ा नीज को बेंड करके करेंगे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज अब heel toes up now heel up अब सूर्य नमस्कार 12 स्टेप में होता है सूर्य नमस्कार बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है योगा में क्योंकि अगर सूर्य नमस्कार कर लेते हैं तो इसमें बॉडी के सारे सारे पार्ट्स कवर होते हैं और सूर्य नमस्कार 12 स्टेप में होता है राइट और लेफ्ट और 2 बार करके एक सेट कंप्लीट होता है तो हम लोग 2 सेट करेंगे एक राइट लेग से एक लेफ्ट लेग से ओम सूर्याय नमः ब्रीद इन 2 3 4
Parvatasana. Plank pose. Ashtanga, where all 8 body parts are touching the floor. And cobra pose. Then again Parvatasana. And again you bring your left leg forward. Padmasana. Backward stretching. Namaskar.
दूसरा Om Suryaya Namah. Three. Now right leg backward. 5, 6, plank pose. 7, Ashtanga Naman. 8, Cobra pose. 9, Sarvatasana. 10, bring your right leg again forward. 11, 12, and Namaskar. So now that we've completed our stretching and basic yoga poses, we shall go to a very important part of yoga, which is pranayama, which is basically asanas related with breathing. So this helps to calm the mind and it involves breathing in, breathing out in a very scientific manner. Everyone please sit down. And We'll start with butterfly. दोनों फुट आपस में मिले हुए.
your thighs should move up and down as if like a butterfly. This is a very good exercise for the lower abdominal organs. Even if you cannot do it to the full extent, please try to do whatever you can. Gradually, you can increase. People who have problem in abduction of the hip joint can start very gradually, slowly, and you will see that it will help you ultimately in abduction of the hip too. Deep breath, release. Okay, now please sit in the lotus pose or the sukhasana. We'll start with Kapala. This is
कपाल भाती सिर्फ फोकस करना ऊपर. ब्रीदिंग ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगी. जस्ट फोकस ऑन ब्रीद आउट. एक्सेलरेशन. जैसे इमेजिन करना है कि आपके सामने एक कैंडल है और आपको नाक से उसको बुझाना है. सो वी स्टार्ट कपाल भाती. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट.
This can be done 50 to 100 times in sets or at a stretch if you are comfortable with it. We just have to focus on your exhalation. Inhalation will happen automatically. Once you've completed around 100 count of Kapalbhati, then we can move on to the next asana, that is deep breathing.
Breathe in.
While breathing in, lift up your hands. Hold your breath. Gradually breathe out. Again, hold it for some time. 2,
Again. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Again. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Now we'll do Anulom Vilom. अनुलोम विलोम एक हाथ में ज्ञान मुद्रा, सेकंड विष्णु मुद्रा। इसमें लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट करते हैं। हाँ हाँ, लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट करने का रीजन है कि जब गर्मी होती है तो लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट इसलिए करते हैं कि वो बॉडी में ठंड देता है, कूलिंग देता है। तो राइट नोस्ट्रिल से ब्रीथ इन करेंगे और लेफ्ट से ब्रीथ आउट, सॉरी लेफ्ट से ब्रीथ इन करेंगे और राइट से ब्रीथ आउट, देन अगेन राइट से ब्रीथ इन और लेफ्ट से ब्रीथ आउट। तो ये क्रम चलता रहेगा, इसको अनुलोम विलोम कहते हैं। So we'll start from left nostril.
you have to press one nostril with your thumb and take the breath from the other nostril, which is the left nostril with which we are starting. Breathe in. Close both your nostrils, hold the breath for some time, and breathe out through your right nostril. Again, breathe in through your right nostril from which you have breathed out earlier. Hold your breath and breathe out to the left nostril. This is a very powerful form of pranayama which helps us to increase the lung capacity, oxygenation of the blood, mental peace. So this has to be done in a very calm and quiet environment. Your full focus should be on the breath. Always you inhale with one nostril, exhale through the other one. Again, inhale through that and exhale through the previous one. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Ideally, we should take the breath 4 times, hold it for 16 counts, and exhale for 8 counts. So your inhalation should be the least, 4 times hold, and 2 times exhalation. This is the proper process of Anulom Vilom. If you cannot hold it for such a long time, do as much as you can, but try to hold for a longer time than your inhalation time. Start with your left nostril, hold, exhale out with the right nostril. While doing this exercise, your asana should also be perfect. Your back should be straight. Do not slouch. Face forward. And full concentration on your breathing.
Now we will end with breathe out from left nostril. जिस तरफ से स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड उधर से ही करना है, वही नोस्ट्रल से स्टार्ट करना है एंड. Now we will do Om chanting. ज्ञान मुद्रा दोनों हाथों में. लंबा सांस लेंगे, आंखें बंद, सॉफ्टली लंबा सांस लेंगे ओम की ध्वनि करते हुए और ब्रीथ आउट म को लंबा लेना है. Three. Rub your both palms. Now touch our eyes. Feel the vibrations of Om chanting. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखाय भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. Thank you everyone for joining us. Hope हम आप लोग को कुछ समझा पाए होंगे और आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगा. Thank you.
I will now request the president of the Spine Society to say a few words. Who is with us today?
Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Dinesh Jaswal, currently the president of the Spine Society of West Bengal. This was a very short notice from Dr. Sanjay Patavi to me to join this great event and great effort, and will say, which brings a lot of changes. When you practice daily and regularly, you can yourself feel that. So, few of our members here, Dr. Sapna Patavari just demonstrated the things. She has herself witnessed, and even Dr. Manisha Jaiswal has got a lot of knee problems before starting this yoga practice. Now she is very much improved. She herself says that. So it was very important to make positive changes in our life at this stage. And this is a very strong tool. And it's a totally innovation of the East. There are many forms of meditation and meditation and exercises, but this is the combination of the both. And a very positive combination. You can feel it. I request everyone who has joined today to request all of their near and dears to involve in this practice. It takes few minutes, maybe 60 minutes in your morning, but it will give you a lot of benefits. You can feel it. So my request is to everyone to involve in this practice and bring positive changes in their life. Thank you so much.
I would now request Dr. Devolina Ghosh, the Secretary of West Bengal Society for Study of Pain, to say a few words. Dr. Devolina,
Good morning,
please
everyone.
unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everybody, and it is a very enriching session. Thank you, all of you, to join, and a special thanks to Dr. Manisha Jaiswal for the enriching elaboration what she has given for this yoga, and Mrs. Sapna Patwari for this wonderful session and very refreshing, very easy and refreshing, and we can move it forward with the whole of the day, and we can make it in our practice of our daily life. So I request everybody, all the members, all the society members and others, relatives also, to take it forward and make it a daily habit. Thank you, Sanjay sir and Dinesh sir, also to take this initiative and make it a grand success. Thank you, sir.
For our past president, चला गया
past president of West Bengal Society of Study of Pain. Dr. Abhijit Banerjee sir is there. I would invite him to say a few words.
I think Abhijita has
Abhijita
left.
has left.
So if anybody has to say anything, we'll be glad to take your views on this.
Abhijita, if you're there.
Abhijita, if you're there. लॉगिन करके चला गया